Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make howling spider heels in case you want to spice up your costume. So here we have some fake web and it has spiders included, but I decided not to use those. So I bought these instead. They're basically red and purple spider rings with gemstones on them. So I'm going to be using heels that I did a project with already. So I made them more sparkly and shiny. So I'm just going to take off that and leave on the double-sided tape. And I'm also leaving on the glitter on the back. So with the first design, because I made two designs, first design is Black Widow inspired. So I just put the ring on the back of the heel. And the total time it took for me to make this was about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. So it's not a lot of time. And again, I'm not going to be using those black spiders already included in the web. I'm not showing it here, but I went ahead and took the web and I cut off a piece of it. And I think it was still a little too much, but yeah, I went ahead and did that with the other one too. I used the same web and I just cut a smaller piece off and I wrapped it around the heel. So using double-sided tape is really important so that it doesn't slip off and you don't trip. But yeah, so the first design covers the whole heel, whole foot. And the first design just covers your toes. And this is a really simple design, so I'm just gonna put 4 spider rings on where your toes go, and they're red. So it's supposed to be like Black Widows. And for the second design, with the purple ones, it's gonna be 4 also. They're fitted so they stay on the web and they don't come off. So the purple design is done. I'm adjusting it a little bit because I did kind of brush through this. Like I didn't make sure it looked perfect or aligned perfectly. I just wanted to show you how they would stick. You can see the bottom of the heel doesn't have any webbing and it's tied so that you don't slip. And that part of the web comes off so you can slip your foot in and kind of just tie it back around your ankle under the strap. And I went ahead and started working on the Black Widow one, which is just putting the rings around the web so that they stick. I do think the Black Widow ones came out better because I made sure they were really stuck on the web there. And yeah, I just like this design better. And as you can see, I also tied it on the back and you can walk on it without slipping. The red one took less time to make and I just like it better design-wise. These are the ones I would wear. Which one would you wear?